In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use document properties in Microsoft Word to automate repeated information in your documents. This is especially useful when you're creating forms, reports, letters, contracts, or templates where the same information needs to appear in multiple places. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a blank document or opening the document you want to work with. For this example, let's say you're creating a simple business document that needs the same information, such as a company name, client name, project name, or document title, to appear in several different locations. First, go to the File tab. From the menu, select Info. Look for the Properties section, then select Advanced Properties. This will open the Document Properties window. In the Document Properties window, select the Summary tab. Here, you'll see several fields that can store information about the document, such as title, subject, author, keywords, and comments. For example, click inside the Title field and enter the information you want to reuse. You could enter a project name or document title. You can also enter other information in the available fields if needed. When you're finished, click OK. Now return to your document. Place the cursor where you want the stored information to appear. Go to the Insert tab, then select Quick Parts. From the menu, choose Document Property. You'll see a list of available document properties such as title, subject, author, and keywords. Select the property you previously filled in. Word will insert that property into the document. You can repeat this process anywhere you need the same information. For example, if the document title needs to appear in the heading, introduction, and footer, insert the same document property in each location. The useful part is that these fields are connected to the document property. If you later change the value of that property, the information can be updated wherever that property is used in the document. You can also use this method when creating reusable Word templates. Instead of typing the same information repeatedly, you can store it as a document property and insert it wherever needed. Once you've finished adding the properties, save your document and test the fields by changing the corresponding property information and updating the fields if necessary. And that's how you can use document properties in Microsoft Word to automate repeated inputs and make your documents easier to maintain. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,